Right, Sekhukhune United just lost to Orlando Pirates 5-0. We are here at Orlando Stadium. My brother, how do you feel about game of vandaag?
Thank you so much, my brother. I'm Moses All from Honeydew Branch, Orlando Pirates supporter. My brother, I'm so happy about the performance for my boss.
Yeah.
They did very well. I mean, after they've done for their very first game,
Yeah.
I was like, oh, what did they do at Spain? But the second game and today,
Against Stellenbosch. Yeah.
against Stellenbosch. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, my brother.
And
I'm
now you're
very
scoring
excited.
goals. What I
Yes,
like about
I'm
you,
very.
you're scoring
And
goals, yeah.
worst of all, they don't concede because if you don't consider a goal, it seems that you are the best team. So I'm so happy and well done to my boss.
Yeah,
Amazing.
I saw your defenders are very tight, and also they managed to to protect your goalkeeper very well.
Yes, my defenders, they are very organized. They are very organized. If you can look at them, like those legs of Koli, CBC, and those boys, they are very Manko, Pasika Manko. They are very organized from the previous game and tonight. So well done to my boys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for Orlando Press, and I love them. Big up to the boys, and we are defending this cup.
Exactly.
We are defending the
Nice one. Who do you wanna meet in the semis?
Yo, let me don't say this.
Yeah.
But if I can see myself playing against Sundowns, I don't want them on semi-final
want them in the
because I
final.
know they don't have that spirit on semi-final.
Yeah.
I want them on final. If I can meet Sundowns, then
So meaning now you want Chiefs for now,
yeah.
or Cape Town City or Super Sport.
Any team from
My
Chiefs
brother.
or Sundowns.
My step to the final, Chiefs, Super Sport, whatever, it's
Anyone
fine.
is
But
fine.
if I can see Pirates playing against Sundowns on final, then I will be happy.
Hey,
I will
Tada.
be happy, my brother.
Congratulations, my brother.
Yeah, thank you so much, brother.